Hello everyone, I will introduce one to you today. The top 17-9 excavator produced by a factory. As for our excavator, the width of the whole vehicle is 1 meter. The maximum digging depth of the whole vehicle can reach to 0.5 meters. What about the whole vehicle? The largest excavation height can reach 7 meters. What about our 17-9 excavator? It is equipped with a 380, a high-powered engine, stable quality, and national joint guarantee. At the same time, the tail is equipped with a counterweight of solid cast iron. Work is not easy to tilt your head. At the same time, 17-9. As for this excavator, you can choose to install a big arm side swing or various functions such as chassis telescopic. This car is suitable for landscaping, personal rental, and other working conditions. Municipal engineering. If you need this excavator, the boss can find out.